Hello everybody, I'm Ernest. We're in San Antonio, Texas, and we're gonna go check out the Hertzberg Watch, I think is what it's called. We just got through eating at Silo, and we're walking downtown San Antonio. I've been spending more time down here in downtown San Antonio. I live here in San Antonio, but I don't really go downtown. And so I decided I'm going to do more stuff downtown. And after we ate at Silo's, which is going to be a video out, a very good German restaurant, and now we're going to go look at the I think I'm pronouncing this wrong, Hertzberg clock. Anyway, I'll correct myself later. So I was reading some of the stuff. This clock just got restored this year in 2026. It was originally owned by Eli Hertzberg. He had a jewelry store here, and I want to say it was 18 something, I can't remember year. I'll look it up here in a little bit. That it originally was installed on Carmer Street, which is the street we were on, but now it's over here off of St. Mary's. They moved it and it's restored, and it's a hand cranked clock, so you have to wind it once a week. It's not electrical, so that's pretty unique. Now we're coming over here by the Riverwalk, walking past the Riverwalk. Down below, one of the Riverwalk boats. I guess you can get on there to go enjoy the Riverwalk. If you've ever been to San Antonio, it's a nice area here that we have. We just walked by the Aztec Theater. Here's the Dury Inn and Suite. I think that's an old hotel. We're going to be walking by the Empire. You can see it in the distance. That's another theater. We're walking right by a church. There's a Catholic church down here, downtown. Hold on. I just came to read the plaque. 1856, 1923, in grateful memory of those who donated furnishing in the old church. For thus thou stop up to thyself a good reward. Yeah, it's an old church here. So walking down in any town, a lot of history downtown, and I like to stop and see what happened there. So I'm reading this sign of the Empire, and it says Charlie McComb's Empire Theater. There used to be a guy that had a car dealership here. His name was Charlie McCombs. I guess he established this here. I didn't know that, and I live in this town. And there's still a bunch of dealerships in his name. Here's a better picture of the church. I can see the clock in the distance. It's 17 feet tall. What I'm fascinated by it is that it's a hand crank deal. So we're here waiting to cross. It does look old. Look like it's made completely out of iron. Probably people walk by this clock all the time and not realize its significance. And it's keeping the time correctly. Okay, so it says here it was donated in 1982. I don't know when it was placed here. I know it originally was on Commerce Street. And we're at the corner of Houston and St. Mary Street. Okay, so The clock was 1878 originally made. This thing was made in 1878, and it was moved to this corner in 1910. So it's been sitting on this corner here since 1910. Still works. I understand it's got to be cranked like once a week, and I just checked it with my time and it is correct. Like I said, this was a jeweler, I think, had it in front of his store, Eli Hertzberg, and now it's been donated to the conservation, and it's just out here on the street for everybody to enjoy. You just got to stop and realize what you're looking at. So there's a plaque here on the ground. You can freeze it and read more detailed history of this clock. At first I heard the chiming of the clock, but I thought it was this, but it's actually the Catholic Church that is across the street that we passed. But this clock's been in existence since 1778 and been right here on this corner since 1910. All right, so thanks for watching. I like to discover things like that, and just go out in your own city. Everybody has their own history. Thanks for watching.